is the kind of uh, I will get into the curriculum first and then explain the prospects of US taxation, how opportunities are available, our Hyderabad wide or statewide or India wide. How the opportunities are, I will explain. Okay, so let us quickly jump into a presentation which has the curriculum. Once again. Hope everyone is able to see the screen. So we are naming our cell as Commerce Training and Skill Development Cell. As I told you just before, this curriculum is not just designed only for US taxation, but it is designed for all commerce people. Like even if it is a non-commerce person, BSc, like any other BTech background person want to switch to finance and commerce career, still they can do. That is the manner this curriculum is designed. In this curriculum we are going to learn very briefly about the commerce concepts with which they can enter into the fields like finance, banking, insurance, taxation, advisory, all this. We might think we don't like commerce people have very less opportunities, very few job opportunities, but that is a wrong perception. If you say like there is manufacturing sector which goes into factories, limited numbers, because automation is much implemented in almost every bigger factories and units. And if you see software, now it's again AI. Okay, software is taking a very huge transformation if you see, but that transformation where it will lead to we will see. But if you see commerce, all the commerce jobs are still more in demand. Let it be accounting jobs, let it be taxation jobs, let it be auditing, all the finance activities. How much ever they try to implement automations, still human intervention is needed in the field of commerce. And this commerce is spread across different walks of life, starting from accounting, taxation, risk and advisory, banking, insurance, everywhere this is existing. So now after you complete this course, you'll be able to give interviews in all these profiles. Let it be accounting, let it be taxation, auditing, finance, anything. And US taxation, we are going to have a separate session within this curriculum, with which we have ready placements in this field. Okay. Now the curriculum goes like this. We have part A, which is the core commerce content topics, which is dealing with everyone. Please mute. Please mute. Please mute yourself. So, under the commerce content topics, we have financial accounting in detail. We will be teaching you financial management. We will be teaching you cost and management accountants, management accounts, and also we will have a quick overview of auditing, banking, and insurance. So, these are the topics which are covered in the commerce content topics, which is part A. So, in within this part A, not just limiting your knowledge to academic knowledge, but we are going to help you in developing various other skills like business communication and soft skills, personality development. For these, we have a master trainer who is a very popular faculty all over India, and that kind of person is going to teach you the soft skills and business communication within the couple environment. And we are also going to help you with regards to email etiquettes, resume building, and we will have mock interviews. Like I will be personally conducting the mock interviews before we push you to any other opportunity available in the market. So, and lastly, placement assistance is provided. Soon after you complete the curriculum, we will provide you a internship wherein you will have hands-on live experience. There is a challenge in US taxation. Unless you work on live hands-on, like unless you get the hands-on experience, you will not get thorough with the topics, just like any other finance role. See, before you enter the accounts and payroll, you'll not understand what you do there. Maximum as a starter in the interview, what they'll ask you is if you know any accounting terms or not. They will check that. Similarly, in US taxation also, uh, to explain it might look like fancy, showing the form and all of that, but that doesn't suffice anything because US taxation is completely software based. Unless you learn the software, you cannot say I know US taxation. So that following parts I will explain what it happens. Next, when it is coming to basics of accounting, we'll be covering all these topics like all the accounting concepts, rules, standards, accounting process, whatever you must have learned in your 11th and 12th class, become 1 to 3 years. All these will be covered within this syllabus. And also financial management topics. Sir, why should we learn financial management topics? If you ask me, within US taxation, the very popular process is the partnership taxes. Under the partnership taxes, there will be like, how many of you know businesses which you see are not real businesses? You know BlackRock, you heard of. You know JP Morgan and Chase. You know State Street Banking Corporation. You know Goldman Sachs. All these are fund management, wealth management companies. These companies actually invest in the businesses. These actually invest in the businesses. If you understand, for example, take Apple company. How much stocks do Apple owner owns in the Apple company? It's actually very small amount. The biggest investment is held by this custodian banks. I mean the investment management companies. Similarly, if you check any companies, and we are going to do taxation for that kind of companies, wherein they are only going to talk about the financial things, financial. It is regarding with securities. It is regarding with um, realized gains, unrealized gains, some ratios. All of these are in financial management. So we need basics from financial management. So all these topics will be taught to you when it is capital structure, when it is risk analysis, working capital, capital budgeting, all these things. And apart from that, we will be touching base upon cost accounting. Like whoever might want to give an interview and any opportunity which comes across based on cost accounts, then that knowledge is also provided in this curriculum, not backing off. And next, part B. In this part B, we will be explaining you, we will be giving you clear knowledge on what are all the taxation principles in US, how it works, how US taxation works, what are all the categories, what are all the heads of income. Let it like here in India, we have only one income tax all over India, but there are two income taxes there. There is state tax and federal tax. Here we file only one tax. So all those things, the detailed explanation on what is US taxation, on what are all the categories, and how it is bifurcated, how it is worked upon, all those things will be discussed in the US taxation brief. And now, like in this demo, I want to give you a heads up information on how is career in US taxation, the most important concept we might want to understand. The career in US taxation is really awesome for the next 10 years, assuredly. I'm telling assuredly. Currently, US companies, all the US companies are following the cost cutting model and moving their base to India because India has the highest number of US taxation experts. Right now, like Indian staff is actually working on the real time clients of US today. All the companies previously, 5 years back, or approximately 7 years back, 5 to 7 years back, there was only one company which is doing US taxation in India, that is Deloitte. Deloitte came 15 years back with US taxation into India, but no other company came. But today, if you see, if you scroll your LinkedIn or if you scroll up any job portals, you will see US taxation hiring, US taxation hiring. You will hear very frequently US taxation hiring, and that too companies like KPMG, PwC, EY, BDO Rise, RSM LLP, Ryan Tax, okay, Alient Group. There are so many like D Shaw. All these companies have started hiring from India itself because there are enough people who are trained, well efficient to do the US taxation process. And all those companies who have offices in US, they are opening up offices in India so that they can get their work done at a low cost model. For that reason being, there are huge opportunities in the next 5 to 10 years in the US taxation market. So for that, for you to switch, you must possess, because now maybe your 5 years experience, 4 years experience, 6 years experience in a different lines of industry, but for US taxation you are a fresher. They are going to consider you as a fresher. So as a fresher, what kind of interview will happen? Possibly, if they are accepting you as a lateral hire, it is still a challenge to you, because you will have to cover up so much and you have to pick up their pace. You have to pick up their pace and understand their like content. There are a lot many things. But by chance, if they're treating you as a fresher and they want to check your knowledge, it will be on the ground basics. When I say ground basics, they want to understand if you know the basic accounting terminologies, if you know the like fundamental tax terminologies. All this knowledge is tested, which is provided in our curriculum, along with hands-on experience through internship. Hands-on experience is possible through internship. The reason being, we cannot buy the software licenses for training. Each software license is nearly 1.5 to 2 crores, which is not a possible thing. So softwares are not shown, but PDF forms will be explained clearly, and hands-on experience you'll get when you're going through your internships. The internships will be with real-time companies. There they will show you, they'll make you work on the softwares and provide you real-time experience. So this is how our curriculum and the scope of job opportunities go ahead. So I am open to any questions. Any of you have any questions?
Yeah, hi, Kumar. Shoaib here again.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So as we talk about internship, so when that would be done, like after the course is finished and during internship, which software will be used, like the Drake or any other thing, or
So
how does
like
the internship
interns,
work?
yeah, internship will be with small scale entities, because MNCs won't hire off campus. MNCs will go to only big schools and hire interns from there. And one more opportunity you can have is, some companies throw like a walk-in drive for internships. If you are able to go there and prove yourself with the knowledge which you get or the expertise which you get through our course structure, then you can directly give yourself to those. But we are having connections with the small scale companies wherein they are willing to provide internships to our candidates. So we will get you a internship placement. I mean internship opportunity for sure. But if you are trying at
Okay.
your end with the other MNCs and other like career portals, you're welcome.
Okay. And for how many days or like months it would be for internship for?
Internship will be minimum 3 months.
Minimum 3 months.
Minimum
Okay.
3 months to 6 months.
Okay. And if you talk
Minimum,
about my
because
profile, yeah, go
in
ahead. I'm sorry.
yeah, in 3 months you will not be able to learn anything, but preferably 3 to 6 months is the time period. And if they like your performance, they will give you a placement also. Like if you are an extreme performer, they will not lose you. And based on that certificate, actually you can start giving interviews, because in US taxation there is no freshers hiring except from campus.
Correct.
Lateral hiring is there. Lateral hiring everywhere, US taxation opportunities are available. So for you to be able to claim an experience, you should possess this internship certificate is the procedure. If you just directly go as a fresher, it is very difficult, very, very difficult.
Yeah, got it. Got it. And if you talk about my
Yeah.
profile, Kumar, like let's say I have around like 5 years of experience. Okay, and what kind of package
Mhm.
we are talking about here? Like my previous, let's say for an example, is around 15 LPA. So like based on after this course is done, after the internship is done, we can like target more of it, or like how does it work in terms of packaging cycle?
No, no. Here in this case, whatever field you are, if you are getting an opportunity in your same field, you will get over and above that, or minimum that. But when you're switching a career, you're like a starter. They might, it is depending on case to case. If it is an MNC, they will match your package. If it is not an MNC, obviously they will go for a starter package.
Yes,
During internship, they hardly pay. They pay 10 or 12k or internship. But when you throw when they throw an opportunity to you, they pay minimum 35k, 30k some places.
got it.
Yeah. Anyone have any questions? Anyone?
I have other questions, Kumar, but I guess it's an open forum and a use
Yeah,
forum. So
you can. Maybe other people are shy to ask. If you ask, even their questions are cleared.
yeah. So as I said, you like I have an experience already. So can't we like somehow say that like I work on the same profile in West taxation, and thereafter we can try to get into any MNCs saying that like I have the US taxation, provided like I would be able to justify that experience what I've put in my resume. I guess you're getting what I'm trying to ask.
So you're saying, like, can you claim your previous experience and ask for a good package? Is that
Correct. Yeah, that is what one. Got it right.
that is depending on case to case, because I have seen a situation where a different profile person is taken at the level of senior. I mean, which is a who is a 3 years experienced person in US taxation.
Yes.
The person is taken directly to that role, but he has
Mhm.
seen dangerous challenges.
Okay.
But people will not consider your challenges. People will consider what you have taken, which role you have taken. As a learner,
Mhm.
they will teach you. As an experienced person, they will not teach you. They will expect you to learn,
Okay.
or they will expect you to know it. And
Mhm.
like, you understand, like you are in
Yeah, yeah.
corporate.
I got it. I got what you're
Yeah.
trying.
See,
Provided you
if I am
you need
saying,
to justify your experience, right?
yeah, exactly. There is no wonder someone might hire you as a senior associate by chance, like because
Mhm.
since you are 5 years experience. But at senior associate level, what is the scope of work? They'll give the same scope of work to you,
Obviously, obviously.
and they will not teach you. They'll be like, "How did they
Okay,
take
you
you
know.
without knowing this?" You understanding
Okay,
the point?
got it, got it. But again,
Yeah,
like let's say again, it depends upon the legislation. I would say like if they are hiring for US Europe legislation, let's say for an example, and I claim to work
yeah.
on a Canadian legislation or US legislation, that
They will
would,
train. They will train
yeah,
you.
in that case, yeah. But again, as you said, like
Yeah,
it
yeah.
depends upon case to
See,
case. Yeah.
yes, yes. It is purely depending on that. See, that is the reason there is no freshers hiring. But lateral hiring is heavy in demand for the reason they don't want to spend on trainings.
Correct.
They want a ready person. That's why they are hiring lateral hires. You just hit in LinkedIn US taxation hiring, they will, you will see the, like, rarely you will see the column freshers, but you will see more of lateral hires, lateral hires, lateral hires.
So
For
with
that
this
only what we are doing.
course, okay, with this course and the followed by an internship, can't we like
Yeah.
yeah, that is what, like, can't we
Yes,
say that
that is.
okay?
Yeah. So that is what we are doing. How we are structuring. We are teaching you, and we are providing you hands-on experience in the internship, and they
Correct.
are certifying you. And with that experience, if you are able to crack an interview, then you are under the lateral hire. That is the plan
Okay.
we are working on.
Okay.
Yeah, because
And
as a
how,
fresher, even we can't get you a job.
correct. What
Yeah,
is the course duration, Kumar?
it will be close to 45 to 60 sessions.
45 to 60 sessions. Okay. Online or offline?
Sessions. It will be both.
Online, offline.
Yeah, it will be both. But
Okay.
when some sessions are happening, I will recommend offline. For some
Okay.
sessions, online also works. But for some sessions, offline is recommended.
Are we decided on the course timings yet or
No, no, the batch timings and the batch date, everything will be announced. It will be announced.
yeah, over to you guys. I'm sorry
Yeah.
I'm taking much time. Yeah. You guys
No,
finish
no,
the
no
question.
problem. I see in the chat box someone is asking for course fee that you discuss with the organization committee. Any doubts regarding job opportunities, content wise, other questions I will answer. Course fee, please talk to your concerned person who have contacted you. Except course fee, I will answer anything, any question.
Kumar, I'm sorry, Shoaib again. So, like this
Yeah,
internship, can't it be a parallel thing with the course, or it has to do only with the once the course is done, then you have to join the internship?
it depends. If the opportunity came early, it will be simultaneous. If the opportunity is pending, like possibly we are planning a batch in a way that by the time we finish this batch, the opportunity is readily available. We are planning like that. But the opportunity comes way before, we will make it happen like you are doing it simultaneously.
Okay, thank you.
No, no one has other questions. I see many people in the group, but only one person is asking questions. So no one, like none others want a job. Huh? There is Nagavenu Reddy, Swati, Ravi Shankar, Raghavendra, Tarun, Dharanidhar, Tejasvi. No questions? Everyone understood everything?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm BSc, sir. Computer
Okay.
Science Department.
No problem. We are starting from scratch. That is the reason I told you in the beginning. We are starting. We will teach you from debit credit, like basics of accounting. We will teach you from that starting point.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other question? So to answer Swati's point, I am making it clear to you. See, getting a commerce job, it is not just for only bcom people. You can get, still you can get, because as long as you possess the knowledge. See, how many engineers do you think they are btech engineers only? There's computer science engineers only. There are many mca people, bsc people, bcom people also pursued a career of software engineers. There are many people who learned the software, or who learned that particular program, and they secured a job. There is also such similar program. You just get upskilled yourself with total commerce knowledge, then opportunity is yours. Any other question? So only Shoaib and Swati need, huh? No one else have any
I guess
questions?
I guess they are hesitant to ask Kumar. I don't know. But this is the platform, guys.
Okay.
Go ahead and ask.
Any questions? So I'll give you another 1 minute. If no one is raising any question, we'll close this session, and you can also talk to our counselors offline any for any questions.
Yeah, Kumar, I have
So
a few
in
questions
another
which I
minute,
believe I'll have a word with the
okay,
counselor.
okay, you can ask now.
Yes, Kumar. Can I?
Hmm.
So,
Yeah, yeah, ask.
yeah. So, if you talk about my profile,
Hmm.
Kumar, recently I've left Capgemini. All right, it's been a month. It's been 2 months
Hmm.
since my last job with Capgemini. So it's been 2 months that I'm not working right now, and I want to get into US taxation. Do you have any chance of any kind of crashing the thing, like a crash course of kind of thing or something?
No, if you're
Because
getting a
you
placement, see, we will start what you call, we will not wait to finish the course and only then you will get. No. Soon after you join, we'll guiding you through to just give a try in everywhere. Like, but not, you should not spoil the opportunity, because once you
yeah,
are ready,
that I already did it. Like I've actually attended an interview with EY recently.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
yeah, so
I will recommend attend the interviews only when you are prepared,
correct, yeah.
because there will be a cooling period. Next 6 months you cannot try back in that company, and after 6 months there might not be placements also.
Yes,
If you are spoiling an opportunity now without preparing, and next 2 months there is hiring, but you cannot give in that hiring because cooling period is 6 months, and after 6 months there might not be an opportunity. So don't do that mistake. Once you are through the course, we will guide you.
uh,
So when you are giving an interview, we will guide you, giving a mock interview, how to answer any question, what questions might come. That part is that job, like that will take care. We are here.
okay, cool.
Yeah. Anything else? I think we can close the session if no one has any questions.
Thank you, Kumar. Thank you for your time. We'll see you the other day.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you.